Grenade going in.
Everybody inside the trench by the flag, you are dead.
So in the middle of the trenches on the right, where the flagpole is, that's the area we got to sit in, and we got to be there for 5 minutes to win. So just try and push them out, and this is respawn. So every time you get shot, come back here and then go.
Move up, just stay in this lane.
Okay, yeah, I can't get under. How are we looking up here? Got them up the trench, are we good? Okay, I've got to run. Should I make the run to the center flag?
Flag is still neutral.
Okay guys, I'm gonna grenade the flag and then I'm running at it, okay?
You gotta change the flag.
Grenade going in. Grenade!
Everybody inside the trench by the flag, you are dead. You guys have got
You guys are dead, yeah?
grenaded.
Come on! Oh, we fucking pushed up, man.
3 friendly kills with that grenade.
Okay guys, I am in the trench now.
Flag is still neutral. I repeat, the flag is still neutral.
Well, we are now, yeah?
Yeah, that's what I called out.
Oh, hit! Okay guys, keep pushing. Have we got enemies in there or no? Are they in there or no? Alright.
Alright, what do we need? Someone covering us or what?
Right corner of trench as well. I'm going to do a grenade and run in with pistol in about 10 seconds. So if you can cover, let me know.
I'll go in with you.
Okay guys, here's the thing stay. Shit, grenade's gone. Top grenade. It's alright.
You go?
Okay, cool. Alright guys, I'm going to throw it in and go, okay?
Yeah, I got you, I'll rush you.
Running for the flag in 7 seconds. Over. Okay, 5, 4. Go.
Don't go with that grenade, I repeat. Don't go with that grenade.
I think I was hit.